All right, guys, this is probably going to be one of the easiest installs you'll ever do for your motorcycle. And the reason why we chose the carbon fiber, because we are going with carbon fiber other parts as well. So there's 3 bolts that you need to take this seat off. I'm going to show you. And excuse what's in my saddlebags, but there it is. There's 2 bolts identical on each side. You need 1 tool, and that is a T27. All right, here we go. Boom, boom. We're just gonna set that down right there. We're gonna slide this bad boy off. All you gotta do is that trajectory right there. Right here, we're gonna, and excuse how dirty my bike is. I got it washed and rode in the rain the other night, and it has been so filthy. Boom. And just like that. That was tough. Does the strap fit? Do we want the strap? No, we don't want the strap. All right, easy enough. And then don't forget the backrest. So the backrest is super nice. It does have an angle where you can adjust it through a thumb screw. But all you have to do, find the hole, find the part on the hole, then push it down. There you go. 5-minute install.